Good afternoon. It is the beginning of April and I thought I'd walk through the garden and show you what is blooming, and there are a lot of really beautiful things happening right now. Everything is breaking dormancy and it's looking pretty beautiful. Starting off with the red bud, it is looking particularly beautiful right now. Lots of beautiful flowers all over the tree. And right below it is the African daisy, or the osteospermum, and they are looking gorgeous as well. I really enjoy the color echo effect, something that Linda Vodder has talked about quite a few times between the osteospermum and the red bud and the bacopa right here. And way back there is the loropetalum that also provides another color echo for the pink. Behind all of this, the catmint is blooming, so it survived the winter this time. Remember last year I had to buy 2 more catmints to fill in the space because they had died. So maybe this area is improving a little. The soil is pretty thick clay. Is that the right word? Anyway, it's looking really good. And I am enjoying seeing all of this together in this space. In the obelisk is the clematis, and it is looking gorgeous. It's climbing up the obelisk and my little makeshift wire. And right down here is a sweet pea volunteer that is now coming up. This is a huge, look at the size of this bud. This is a huge bud here. Super fun. There's more than one. There's one here, one here. So this should be very cool. If anybody knows how much protection clematis needs, please let me know, because I'm kind of taking a risk. It said full sun, but I don't know if it can take full sun when it's 115 degrees in the middle of summer. Let me know. The loropetalum that I recently purchased because I wanted to tree form it went into shock. It is still okay, but a lot of the leaves yellowed and it is not looking really good, but I'm a little worried. So I'm hoping it does okay. I removed the scarlet ibis, I'm not sure. It kind of comes out orange when it first blooms, and then it kind of fades to a dusty rose, which looks beautiful, but the orange is too jarring for this space. So I moved them to my front yard where I have a little more red and other colors. A few weeks ago, I moved the purple pillar Rose of Sharon and the candy corn spirea here into this corner to add a little bit of height and texture. And I'm really happy with the contrast between the bright green of the purple pillar Rose of Sharon and the gorgeous color of the candy corn spirea. A quick pass by the sparkly amethyst superbena from Proven Winners. The white lyrical salvias I planted last year are returning, and the purpurea echinacea that I planted are returning as well. And then this is a bunch of gladiolus bulbs coming up as well. This place is going to be gorgeous in the spring, well, a few weeks. I have not figured out what to put where the spirea was. The 2 orange rockets are returning. I think I want to move them closer together, potentially further away from the Wichita blue juniper that was supposed to be a blue arrow juniper. And behind it is the Janed Gold arborvitae that I took out of the flower box recently and planted here. And just because I wanted to see if it would return and rebound or not. And of course, all around here is a ton of California poppies. And they are going to look gorgeous this spring. They are all over the space. And it's starting to rain right now. It's been raining on and off. I've been desperately trying to get projects done because it is April. By the end of April, our weather will be close to the 90s, and by the end of May we'll be in the high 90s. So kind of need to get all that spring planting done quick before it gets too hot. My green tower boxwoods are looking really good, and this boxwood topiary is also looking good. So I'm happy about how all of this is going. And the topiaries that I put in the pots next to the pavilion are also looking fantastic right now. And the topiaries right here in these pots next to the wrought iron, are looking pretty good too. I just need to trim everything up so that they're a little more cone shape, but they're supposed to naturally grow in a cone. The rose is looking fantastic. It has filled in beautifully, and in probably another month it's going to be full of beautiful flowers. There's quite a few small buds on it right now, but it is going to be gorgeous this year, I think. And of course, the sea of foxglove in this space, I need to do a better job of editing next year because this kind of looks messy. Not a fan of the way it looks. It'll be beautiful in the spring, but the rest of the season it needs a little more focus. This are the Shasta daisies. This patch, I guess, gets a little more winter sun and is about to bloom, but on the other side of the path I have 3 patches that have barely broken dormancy and probably won't bloom for another month at least. I decided that I was going to try putting the lemon balm here along the front of the house. It's a spot that gets really hot, and I thought the lemon balm might be able to take it. So I've cut some sections out of some plants elsewhere in the yard and have been putting them here. But again, with the weather being so crazy, I have had a difficult time getting these projects done because I keep getting rained out. Last little update, we have the other clematis here that I purchased last year, and it has some beautiful huge buds on it. I really didn't think it was going to survive this. The base of the plant looks like it's dead, so I'm surprised at how beautiful it looks right now. The hydrangea I moved is just reblooming right now. It's looking gorgeous. I don't know if I'll get any blooms. It's supposed to be able to bloom on new and old wood, but I'm not positive. I do have quite a bit of dead in it. I've just been kind of waiting to see if buds come out. And the limelight hydrangea is looking really good. And of course, the always blooming azaleas here, the Encore azaleas, I swear, they're just constantly blooming. There have been so few occasions that I have walked back here that there aren't buds on them. So this was an awesome purchase. I would highly recommend the Encore azalea. If you have a moderate sunny place, gets a good amount of sun in the morning and then is generally shaded in the afternoon. That does it for my April update. Thank you for joining me for my garden journey.